Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar and I am the course instructor for Machining Sciences and Tool Design. We are discussing module number 4, that is Tool Life and Machining Economics. So in this video we'll be discussing about experimental methods to find Taylor's exponents. So as we have discussed earlier, so we know that Taylor's tool life is equal to Vt to the power of n is equal to c. So as you can see, if we plot log of velocity to the log of tool life, so as you increase the, if you decrease the cutting speed, the tool life is increasing, and this is a logarithmic scale because you need to plot a large values. That is why you are using a logarithmic scale. And in this you can see, if you plot if you find out the what is the tool life at different velocities, and by that you will be able to plot this graph. And if you extend this graph up to meet it at y-axis, you will get a intercept, that is log c, and then the slope of this line will give you the n. Okay, that is the exponents n, and then constant c is found experimentally by doing this work by trial and error method. And then so once you know the n and c, you can calculate what is so then n is calculated by tan theta is equal to log v1 minus log v2, that is uh, velocity at v1 and velocity at v2, and then log t1 and minus log t2, that is tool life at position 1 and 2. So that's how you can calculate n and c value experimentally. And as you can see in this table, the n and c are plotted for work material like steel and cast iron. In case of steel, HSS and carbide, uh, and then in case of that is in for a tool material, that is steel is the work material. For tool material, HSS and carbide is used. Similarly, for cast iron work material, HSS and carbide is used. So there is a lot of experiments is done, and then n and c value are found for the particular tool material and particular work material. So n and c values keeps on changing depending upon the work material and the tool material. So as you can see in the table, so the for a steel work material with the cutting tool material HSS, the n value varies from zero point 0.1 to 0.16, c value varies from 160 to 190. Similarly, values for all the tool material and the work material here. So this is how you can find out n and c values experimentally.